Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Children, this is the first part of chapter number 16, Garbage In and Garbage Out. Children, in this part of the chapter, we will study about the waste, types of waste, solid waste, types of solid waste, biodegradable waste and the non-biodegradable waste. Waste. As you all know, children, waste is something which is of no use or no purpose. It consists of things we intend to throw or have already discarded. Waste are produced in our homes, schools, offices, markets, industries and the agricultural fields. When we eat an orange or a banana, we throw away the peel. We can make a long list of items which lead to generation of waste. For example, broken toys, old shoes, slippers, old clothes, groundnut shells, pieces of paper, toffee wrapper, packing wrappers of biscuits, oils and broken buckets are all waste. What we do with the waste generated in our home? We throw away these things. What do you think, children? This waste can be reused or recycled. Types of waste. Based on the nature of waste produced, the waste are of three types: gaseous waste, liquid waste and the solid waste. Gaseous waste are released by vehicles and industries. Liquid waste are generated in our homes and industries. Solid waste are produced in our home, industries and agricultural fields. Solid waste. Solid waste generated in our homes is the domestic waste and is commonly called the garbage. Some of the examples of domestic waste are vegetable peels, fruit peels, plastic bags and the metallic items. Types of solid waste. Solid waste are of two types: biodegradable waste and the non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste or the biodegradable substances are those which undergo degradation process or rotting process by the action of decomposers found in the soil, and they are broken down to the harmless or the non-poisonous substances. Examples include the dead plants and animals, vegetable and the fruit peels, dried leaves, flowers, papers, cloth, pencil shavings and many more. Non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste are those waste which cannot be broken down by the decomposers. They do not rot easily and take a very long time to rot. Examples include the items made from the plastic, metals, aluminum foils, insecticides are the non-biodegradable waste. The items made from the plastic includes bags, boxes, toys, bottles, buckets, mugs, etc. Items made from metals include the utensils, pans, photo frames, etc.